Hi, this is the Southport Oak Island Chamber of Commerce ribbon cutting for South Shore Dance Academy. And we are here for the ribbon cutting, and now we're going to take a nice little tour with the new owners. Hi there.
Hey, how are you doing?
Good.
My name is Marcia Kelly, and I'm one of the owners of South Shore Dance Academy. This is Aubrey Sonnendecker.
Hi.
We are so happy to be here and so happy to be able to have the opportunity to show you around our new studio. It was formerly On My Toes. It was a studio that's been here for 17 plus years, and we were very fortunate to be able to take it over when she decided to close her doors. And so come and see what we've got.
Dance is such a wonderful thing. It's for all ages, is it not?
Yes, absolutely. We have lots of classes for the itty bitties all the way through high school, and we also have several adult classes. And with any questions, you can go to the website. It's southshoredanceinc.com. Our class schedules are all there, and it should be pretty self-explanatory once you get there.
And this is the big room.
This is the big room. This is the room that the majority of our ballet classes take place, just because we need lots of space for ballet. This is also where our dance fitness classes take place. Dance fitness is a combination of Pilates and Zumba and what else? I mean,
Moving and shaking and having a good time.
I like to move and groove and shake.
Yeah.
We also have lots of adult classes that are also drop-in classes. We have a stretch and strength class that is they use your own body weight, and also a ballet bar class. We also have 3 classes that the adults can be a part of that will actually perform in our recital, and that's clogging, tap, and hip hop.
I've always wanted to learn how to clog. I thought that would be fun.
Oh yeah, and Tracy, our instructor, is a hoot. It's so much fun.
Yeah.
And I know you said the Zumba. What do you call it now?
It's called Dance Fitness.
Dance Fitness. Yep. And Karen Barr is your
Karen
teacher.
Barr is our instructor for Dance Fitness.
Yeah.
And
she's been around for a while.
She has. She was with On My Toes for
11
years. Yeah. So she's our regular force, and she has a great following, and we're just trying to bring more people in to fill up even more classes for her.
That's great.
We're excited.
Let's go look at the little room. I just think it's so adorable for the little ones. Look how bright and happy this looks. I like the stars. We're all stars, aren't we?
We are. We're still working on getting a few decorations in here. We're thinking a decal with a Reach for the Stars little quote and some other things. These are some big walls to fill and some big rooms. So we're excited for all the kids who are going to come and spend their evenings with us.
So where do they go to register for the classes?
They can go to our website at southshoredanceinc.com. They can also call us at 910-855-1117.
Where are you located?
4672 Long Beach Road Southeast, and that's in Southport.
So you're on the back side of the building.
Yes,
so
we are on the back side of the building of A+ Heating and Air.
Okay.
And you'll see the sign for us, and it'll say we're in the back of the building.
So it's a big yellow building, and it's on Long Beach Road.
Yes.
And just turn in the driveway and come into the back part of the building.
That's right.
And just come and see what they have. Check out their dance studio. I think you'll be very pleased and happy that you came. Adults, children, men, women, it doesn't matter. You're here to teach them how to move and groove.
That's right. Dance is for everyone.
Well, thank you so very much. We're here again at South Shore Dance Academy. Website?
southshoredanceinc.com.
Phone number?
910-855-1117.
Wonderful. We wish you much success, and we know that the kids and the adults are going to just have a ball.
Thank you.